Hi, my name is Anthony Trong, and I'm a graduate student from the Cannabis and QA/QC program. Prior to this program, I was a UX/UI designer, and I currently have finished my internship with Black Rose Organics, and right now I'm currently employed as their junior QA and production cultivation technician. What motivated me to this program is from my knowledge of cannabis being as a medication, right? And also introduction from my friends and family saying in this growing industry. So I was interested in what opportunities would give me, and then also mostly interested in the medicinal part of cannabis and how it can help people's lives, improve people's lives. That would motivate me to change career path. So the training that I received from NACPT and the hands-on training allowed me to keep up to date with the current terms and definitions that I needed to use in the cannabis industry. So through using these definitions, I was able to, communicate with my coworkers, very well, being more knowledgeable with current up-to-date trends. Just moving along and with the industry. My relationship with the instructors are really good. They help me, get the information that I need in order to proceed in the career, especially with my internship at Black Rose Organics. After completing my hours, I was able to use that knowledge given by my instructors in order to land a employment over there as a junior QA and a production cultivation tech.